So I woke up a few minutes back. Now it's somewhere around 9:54. So I went out, had a tea, and I came back. So what do you call it? Uh, this racket, the racket which is after me, and now I have to what do you call it? Catch them. This racket is bigger than what do you call it? Telgi and the Sahara and that Harshal Mehta. These are the ants in front of this racket. These are ants in front of this racket. I'll give you this. This uh, when I was in Pune in 2022 in Ganesh festival. So four things happened. My surveillance of my house goes off. My uh, drivers from the Dell disappears. Not my the unknown people. Drivers from the Dell disappear, and SWA stamps were forged, and my friend dies, which worked in the content. No, which worked on the pilot film of Content Streets, and same the streets content that forged. So SWA forging. So forging is not only don't not only stops there. The SWA stamping is the not the only stamping which they have forged. So they must have done the financial department forgery, bank transaction forgery, fake forensic department is so exposed. Hmm? So they have to smash my face because of those shooting footages. So they are that guy. They want to show. But file forensic shoots up my name, so they have to do the name thing as well. So they must have created fake passport, fake visa of my name. So I gave my place on rent, and I suspect that's why the I guess the verification must be happening of the fake character who claims to be Yogendra Nikare, but Yogendra Nikare is supposed to be in court today because of a fight happened between among the parents within the family because of this racket, and the issue was they were doing transaction wherever I go. So I asked for rent transaction to my parents, and it landed up in fight. So they have to present that thing. So this racket is